Okay, so this is your second tutorial for this week 11. So we're going to deal with higher order derivatives. So higher order derivatives is basically the second derivative and the third derivative, or whatever the function requires of a function. So for example, now we have y equals to negative x squared. From my you find the second derivative. As you know from the lecture, this means the second derivative. So it means we have to derive the function 2 times. Okay, so derive more and more, we get dy dx equals to negative 2x. And then we derive again, we get dy square, sorry, d square y dx square. So that will be the second derivative. Go derive, the function will derive. So we get negative 2, and that's your answer. Okay, ya lalu E. So when it's y equals to a function, we do it like this. First derivative of dy dx, second derivative of d square y over dx square. Third derivative would be the third derivative. So it would be d cube y over dx cube. Yeah, so really 4. If we put 4 here and 4 down there. Got our fourth derivative. So low 4 f of the function of x equals to 4x cubed. If I pay so this is the third derivative. Because as you may familiar, f dash more, that's the first derivative. Second derivative, f dash, third derivative, called. Lakural 4 ang ilunga isi level. So we don't write the dashes, we just write 4. We get to fifth derivative, we just write 5. But actually so if I find the third derivative of this function, so we need to derive the first time. So 4 times 3 get 12x squared. Go derive for that here. So 12 times 2, that's 24x. 2 minus 1, we get 1. And then for the last time, the third derivative would be just 24. That's how you do the higher order derivative. So lastly, I'm dealing with cos of 2x. So from my find the third derivative. So finally, the second derivative. Okay, so first derivative, dy dx. So if you derive cos, we get negative sign of 2x. But it will derive, and then we multiply by the derivative of whatever inside the bracket. So we multiply by 2. Derivative of 2x over 2. So therefore we can make it neat. So we get negative 2 sine of 2x. That's the first derivative, but we need the second derivative, so we need to derive once more. Okay, so we derive again d square y over dx square. So we derive this guy. So the negative 2 there equal my 1 here. Derive sign, we get positive cos, so that will be cos of 2x. Multiply here, the derivative of 2x, which is 2. So clean up, negative 2 times 2, you get negative 4 cos of 2x. And that's your second derivative. Okay, so I have a homework for you. It's a proof. There. So prove that this function along a fourth derivative So basically you are given the answer, and then you have to derive this 4 times and see if you get the same answer as this answer. So that is a proof kind of questions. So you have to derive this function 4 times. Okay, and that's our tutorial, week 11 of higher orders.